In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create swim lanes in Confluence. Swim lanes are a great way to visualize who does what in a process so you can see responsibilities, handoffs, and bottlenecks at a glance. We'll go from a blank Confluence page to a clear, publish-ready diagram you can share with your team. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want the swim lanes to live. This might be a project page, a standard operating procedure, or a team playbook. Once you're on the right page, click Edit to switch into editing mode. This gives you access to the insert tools you'll need. Next, insert a diagram tool such as draw.io or diagrams.net. In most Confluence setups, you can add it from the toolbar or by searching for the diagram macro. When the diagram editor opens, you'll be working in a canvas that saves back into your Confluence page so everything stays in one place. From the template options, choose a swim lane or cross-functional flowchart template. These templates come with lane structures ready to go, which saves time and ensures clean alignment. Pick the orientation that best matches your process. Horizontal lanes if you want steps to flow left to right, or vertical lanes if top to bottom makes more sense. Add lanes for each person, team, or department involved. Rename the lane headers with clear, recognizable titles so anyone reading the diagram understands ownership at a glance. You can drag to reorder lanes to match how work typically moves and adjust lane sizes so longer labels or busier lanes have the space they need. If you like, use subtle color accents to distinguish lanes without making the diagram noisy. Now add the process steps inside the correct lanes. Drag standard flowchart shapes onto the canvas, rectangles for tasks, ovals for start and end points, and diamonds if you need to show decisions, and place each one in the lane that owns that action. Connect steps with arrows to show the direction of work and handoffs between lanes. Keep labels short but specific. Align shapes so the flow is easy to follow, and stick to a consistent reading direction. If a step involves multiple roles, place it in the primary owner's lane and clearly point connectors to collaborating lanes. When everything looks right, save the diagram in the editor, then return to your Confluence page and publish it. Give the page a quick read to confirm the diagram renders correctly and that titles and labels are clear. That's it. Your swim lane diagram is now live and ready for your team to use.